Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video I'm gonna be making the best, guys, like the best beignets you will ever have in your life. Okay, now let's do this. So guys, here we have our ingredients for our beignets. I have flour, milk, yeast, sugar, egg, salt, and warm water, guys, and I'll list all the measurements down in the description below. Now guys, to activate the yeast, I combine the water and the milk, the sugar. Now I'm adding the yeast. Now I'm going to whisk that and let it sit until it's foamy for about 5 to 6 minutes. So okay guys, now that our yeast is fully activated and frothy, I'm just gonna add that to the mixing bowl along with the oil and the eggs. And guys, I did went ahead and I doubled that recipe because I realized that it wasn't enough. And there was butter in that plastic container there, guys. That's why it looks like that. Okay, now I'm adding all the dry ingredients, which includes the flour and the salt. And I'm just adding the flour a little at a time because the bowl that it was in, I didn't want it to spill. Now using a hook, you want to go ahead and mix that on medium speed until it's sticky, guys. It's going to get sticky, okay, which is perfectly fine. Do not add any more flour or else your dough will be hard, okay? Okay, now guys, now that we've reached the desired texture, I'm gonna remove that from the mixing bowl and place it in a grease container. Now I'm going to cover that with a plastic wrap and allow it to double in size. Now guys, if you're wondering if these are the same beignets that Princess Diana had in the movie Princess and the Frog, like guys, let me show you. They are. They are like they're the same recipe, same oil, same pot, same stove, same thing. Same thing. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't even listen to me. Don't. I'm kidding. But guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now guys, before I start rolling the dough, I'm just going to flour the surface, then transfer the dough onto that floured counter. Now I'm going to roll it with a rolling pin, and I'm going to roll it until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. Now guys, if you realize that your dough is sticking to the counter, just go ahead and add more flour. So okay guys, I'm using a knife, but if you have a pizza cutter, you can go ahead and use that. Now you're shaping the dough in the desired shape that I like. You can either do rectangle or square. Some of them will be rectangle, some will be square, some will be like left-handed triangle. Like guys, like, you know, it's a dough, it goes in whatever shape you want. Okay. Now guys, I'm adding the beignets and I'm using a saucepan, and this is about 3 to 4 cups of oil, and I'm just going to fry the beignets on each side for about 3 minutes until they are golden brown. Now guys, I'm transferring the beignets to paper towel just so that it can soak up all that excess oil. Now you just want to repeat the process with a second batch of dough. Guys, I went ahead and I stuffed my beignets with Nutella, and you want to do that when your doughs are cool enough. No, I'm just heavily, guys, like heavily dusting that with confectioner's sugar, and you want to serve that warm. And guys, this was to die for, like, not literally, but they were really, really, really good. So I'm just biting into one, and trust me, it was so good. Like, it was just so good. I'm kidding, but yeah, it was really good, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new video. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.